Hi, so in this video we go to the Bridgend Classic Car Show on 2024. This happened on the 13th of June or July, I believe. Brilliant show, brilliant day. Hope you enjoy the video. Hey Dick, look who it is!
Oh my gosh, Mario!
They are. This is just the XDR. It should have the 4.4 V8 supercharge in it.
Oh no, C, yeah.
Yeah, old C Reg, that'd be 1966, 67. I used to know the old ones. Oh look, Triumph Dolomites, is that Sprint? No, there's a Dolomite. That's beautiful. Been Goodwood as well. It's got Sprint bits on it, but I can't tell whether it's a real Sprint or not. Yeah, they do that on races. I'm not sure why. I'll have to have a look it up. Look at that engine. That's not... No, that's not a Cosworth. That's Z-Tech on throttle bodies. I can smell the fuel, can you?
Oh my Jesus Christ, no. It's not even on.
No, you can smell the fuel. It's very nice. That's just edging to stop them rubbing on the bodywork. I think. Those black things there. Oh yeah, Buick. Oh, that's the one with the wooden wheels.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and it's got the spare tyre, which is just the rim with the tyre on it.
Yeah.
It's cool. That was down here last year as well. Love a Beetle. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if the frame is.
That one's actually got the lights up.
Yeah, that's yeah, ragtop. That's the later Scimitar. I think it had a 1600 Ford engine in it though, rather than the 3 litre Essex V6.
Oh, so they fold back like that then? With no camera.
Yeah, they fold backwards and face upwards. It's really cool.
I was trying to say that. I was trying to like.
I do love this Buick.
Which one has got a crank slip?
Oh yeah, that's what's that? Is that steering box?
It's like a crank.
It looks like part of the suspension. It must be.
Oh, there's the crank, look!
Oh, that's where you, yeah, kind of where you start it. It's got big drum brakes on it.
What does that thing do? What do you have?
I'm guessing that's just a dress cover, so it covers it up nicely, so that when
You don't get it clogged up.
yeah, it doesn't get. I love that the spare wheel is a rim.
It's funny how they got that thing in the body brake, but not all of them like that, are they?
Yeah. Yeah. They've got the proper running boards on it. Yeah, not all of them came with that. It's just the old ones did. I love the MG.
Where's that music coming from?
Proper classic MG.
Where's that music coming from?
That's
I've got information about it.
yeah.
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down.
Beautiful. Jetta.
Diesel version next to it.
Yeah, I saw that one before. That's a diesel
conversion.
conversion, that is.
Is it?
Yeah, that's off of the new Golf.
That's a race version. It's got tape on the lights.
Yeah, that was out of the Mark 4, Mark 5 Golf.
Wait, how?
Mark 5, Mark 6.
The tape inside the lights.
Yeah, it looks lovely, doesn't it?
The tape is inside the lights. Sideways. The back is really short in comparison to the bonnet.
Yeah. I think look called the clown shoe. I've never seen a real one. Not with the S50. But the S50. Class, isn't it?
They've kept really good nick of those seats, so they've been recovered. They look new, don't they?
Yeah. Oh, it's a column shift as well.
Jesus.
Column. Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it? I love the old Vauxhall that had to the Bedford on it. That is beautiful. That is cool. So, if you did enjoy that, then please let us know by hitting a like and a subscribe, and hit the comments, let us know what you thought, share the video, do everything. All of that stuff helps us out a lot and we really appreciate it. See you in the next one. Cheers.